Minahan ko siya na parang ama.
Para sa inyong lahat na nanonood ng The Buzz ni Boy Abunda at ni Miss Chris Aquino, ito po si Corina Sanchez. Hindi ako makapaniwalang hindi mo alam ang nangyari.
Mabuhay, Pilipinas. I am Fernando Carrillo.
Hi, this is Talia, and I will be with Chris and Boy on The Buzz.
Maaaring umalis ng ganito, Rosalie. Buwan niya ang attention ko.
And I'm very glad. I'm very happy. I'm joy. I'm overjoyed. I'm like, ow! That's the way I feel. So I feel good. I knew that I would. So good. So good. I got you. So I'm very happy.
Okay.
You know, I'm a happy man. I was telling all my friends that a very important journalist from the Philippines was coming to interview me.
Handa na ba kayo?
She's not only just beautiful on the outside,
Bakit walang magawa ang pamunuan?
but she is very intelligent.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon,
And I am very captured by the intelligence in a woman, not just by the beauty of her face.
na ditong-dito lang. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I purposely did not butt in because I just love your monologue.
The hurdles Corina will go through for a solo spot in the news, like no one else has, and like no one else can.
What do you think of the Philippines?
Philippines is paradise on earth. I adore the people, I adore the culture, I love the food.
And we will have you there very soon.
Yeah.
Have you tried our beaches yet?
One time, but it was a bad weather.
We'll make the sunshine for you the
Good.
next time you come there.
Great. I'm dying to see all my people and all those guys, those handsome guys.
What do you think of family?
Family is the stability of your life.
You're very close to your own family.
Completely. Completely. And I'm just fortunately person that can say my family is helping me and is supporting me.
So what about your other sisters? Are they as beautiful as you are?
I'm the ugliest one.
Oh, come on, no way. I'm getting out of here.
They are very intelligent people. One of them, she's an archaeologist. She's
archaeologist?
Involved in all our pyramids, you know, our culture. In Mexico, you know, our pyramids.
Oh, okay.
Latin America and everything. And the other, she is a doctor in letters. Okay. So she's writing books and everything. And the other is the actress, and the other is involved in politician.
Para makakuha ng istoryang eksklusibo para ihatid ang unang-una. Ngayon, hatid namin sa inyo, eksklusibo, solong-solo.
Dito sa The Buzz, Corina Sanchez.
Pilipinas live on The Buzz, Corina Sanchez Carrillo. Alam mo, bumati ka muna.
Alam kong inggit ka to death,
I hate
okay?
you.
Don't
I hate you,
me.
Corina.
Oo, wala akong magagawa kung kanya kung hinalik-halikan at niyakap-yakap. Hindi ko naman pinilit yun.
May tanong ako. September 18, darating si Fernando Jose. Halimbawa lamang sa pagdating niya dito sa Pilipinas, ang una niyang hiniling ay makipag-date sa'yo. Anong sasabihin mo? Bago mo kaming sagutin, Chris?
We're gonna pause for a break. Waking aalis. Our favorite, Corina Sanchez, will be back here on The Buzz!
Break, Chris. Tinanong si
You know,
Corina.
he asks you out, payag ka.
Oo.
Sino? I don't think he will.
No, but if
Hello?
you, Corina, pagkatapos kang karga-kargahin,
Piggyback,
ano ka pa?
Bongo.
How do...
Alam mo, I had to explain to my mother, no? Corina, sabi niya ganon. Pagkakataon mo na ito.
Oh, and then?
Sabi ko, Mami, ano sinabi niya sa'yo? Ano sinabi? Sabi niya, maganda daw ang toast ko. Tapos sabi niya, ito. Sabi ko, naglinis, sabi ng mami ko, well, naglinis ka ba ng paa mo? Sabi ko, Mami, may illusion ka rin ha, like the others, sabi kong ganon. There is nothing there. Alam mo, si Fernando, tingin ko lang, talagang desididong sumikat. Yan ang tingin ko, ano?
Pero hindi, ako ang tingin ko talaga, parang may kakaiba siyang gusto sa'yo.
Yes. And
Hindi,
he
ako
sent you
yun.
flowers.
Meron ka
Totoo yun.
meron ka lang
Please tell
kakaibang
us about the
selos.
flowers.
Hindi, meron nga. Pero
I have interviewed so many celebrities and nobody has ever sent me flowers.
Sandali,
You
is that
have
true? Is that true?
flowers.
The moment, mga kaibigan, pagdating ni Corina sa Pilipinas, kanya yung shock.
Yeah, my first day at work, when I entered my cubicle, there were the flowers. So,
O ngayong sabihin mong walang gusto sa'yo yan.
hindi, thank you lang naman
No,
yun.
wala ako sa'yo. Corina, ha?
Thank you lang
Talaga.
yun kasi carnation eh. Di sana kung may pag-ibig siya sa akin, di sana rosas.
Susunod yan.
Ganun ba yun?
Susunod yan yan.
Promise mo? Ganun.
At saka mas
Hindi.
mahal ang carnation kaysa sa roses, ha?
No, it was flower facts. Meron na palang ganon, Chris.
Meron
No?
na.
So if you meet somebody from abroad, there's no reason why they cannot send you flowers dahil meron na palang ganyan flower facts. From the US, pwede silang magpadala ng bulaklak sa
But how
address
thoughtful
mo.
of, you know, of...
I thought he was, yes.
You expected him to be taller.
I expected him to be taller, kaya ang
Kaya
dala-dala ko.
nag-heels
Diyos
ka.
ko po, nakita mo ba?
Oo, naglalakad kayo sa...
batuhan.
Oo.
Sa batuhan, mataas ang takong ko.
Uh-huh.
Kaya tuloy ako
Pero project ka.
kailangan. Kailangan di halatang medyo nanginginig-ginig ang tuhod ko sa batuhan.
Oo.
Tapos sabi niya sa akin, you know, it's so difficult having you to walk through there. Why don't you just ride my back?
Wow. And how did it feel, riding his back?
I did not feel anything. Come on, ano ka ba? Ikaw talaga.
Correct. I mean, riding on the back of Fernando Jose.
Ewan ko, pare yata nakasakay ng kabayo.
Aray ko. I don't want to comment on that. Magagalit sa akin.
You haven't ridden a horse? Come on, it's really sturdy.
At saka may kakaibang indayog, ika nga.
At saka
Diba?
daya niyo talaga sa dabasa. I specifically said for you not to show that video.
No,
How
but
dare
I
you?
think it's the most attractive video in the package.
God,
Di
it
ba?
lessens my credibility.
Of course not! It does not, Corina.
Wait,
Believe me.
Kuring, primera, anong tawag ni, ni Ricky? Primera...
Escupera.
Oh, hindi ba kami naghaharap ni Ricky, ha?
Oo.
Para akong ano. Parang yan lang ang tinrabaho ko buong buhay ko para
Hindi
makuha ko si Fernando.
But tough job.
Can we talk about the trip? Kasi
Sige nga, okay.
my brother was there. Molly was there with you.
Alam mo, you almost became
Sisters-in-law, I know. Karina,
And then.
kanina, my mom and I were talking about it, and they were grilling my brother if he talked to you, if he bumped
Did he?
into you.
All the time.
Yeah.
I think he purposely bumped into me.
Anong pinag-usapan niyo ni Noy Noy?
Literally, ha? Marami.
Talaga?
Hindi ko naman kukwento sa
Hindi,
iyo.
pero interesting
Bakit
conversation.
hindi?
Yeah. Because nakausap, I spoke with Noy after a long while of not speaking. Not because it was on
Yeah.
purpose.
Did
We
you
just
feel
didn't have a
anything?
chance. Why? I don't know yet.
I wonder if he felt anything. I'm sure.
Halimbawa
kapatid mo,
lamang magkasabay si
Wait,
Fernando.
may sinasabi siya. Yung
Yes.
kapatid mo, ano?
Kapatid mo may girlfriend ng iba, ha? Diba?
Meron ba? Wala na yata eh.
Hindi, meron pa rin.
Oh, kita mo.
Sa kabilang istasyon.
Napahilig yata sa mga
Gusto
broadcasters.
talaga. Kasi true love si Corina sa naghahanap ng kagaya ni Corina.
Pero boto ka talaga kay Corina.
Oo, care ba ni Noy? Hindi naman niya ako gusto.
Pero Corina, ganito.
Mag-aaway mamaya.
Napapag-usapan na rin lamang yung kredibilidad at saka yung
Yes.
kabilang istasyon. Napabalita, nalilipat si Karen Davila dito sa ABS-CBN. How do you
Yes.
feel?
I don't feel much. I guess it was just...
You don't feel much.
I don't feel much
Meaning?
as much as I don't think much of her. You know, I don't think about her a lot. But I know that she had been in competition. So I guess if you can't lick him, join him, right?
Okay.
Oo naman!
It has to come from Corina.
She's only speaking the truth, boy. That's why I
Yes.
love her.
I will not say anything about it.
I think it was a very wise choice for Karen to have
Is she a threat
to us.
to you?
She never was. I don't think she ever will.
Okay. No, but in fairness, ha?
Klasiko yun!
In fairness,
Klasiko
Chris,
siya.
she's very good and she works
At
very
masipag
hard.
siya.
She works very hard.
Pero boy,
Okay.
syempre, di ba, nauna na si Corina
Corina.
eh. Meron na
Oo.
siyang ano talaga.
And I don't think naman Karen's also competing, hindi ba?
Oo naman.
Let's talk about Thalia. How is she? How is she?
Talia is
Dun sa Ricky Lo article, sinabi na when the camera was on, super charming and all.
Pero pag wala,
dead
totoo?
ma. True.
Hindi naman, kaya lang she wasn't feeling very well that day. At saka si Talia, pareho kami.
Ano?
Pareho kami in many ways. When she's working, she'll do the stuff when the camera is grinding, no? But
She doesn't like anybody coughing.
hindi kasi nung I had to hire a production
Okay,
crew from
okay.
there, no, mga kano. Pagkatapos merong isang cameraman ubo ng ubo. During the interview. Ngayon,
Ayaw.
very charming si Talia, 'di ba? Pagkatapos nag-break, pinagalitan niya yung cameraman. Sabi niya, "Would you like a candy for that?" Sabi niya gano'n.
Something that you would do too, no?
Well, probably in other words, I would probably be more direct. I would not offer a candy, pero
What would you offer?
Huh?
You would send him out.
yes, I would probably send him out. Pero itong style na ito ni Talia, sabi ngayon ng mga cameraman pag alis niya, well, hindi nila type, no? Sabi nila, who does she think she is? But you know, to me, that is totally acceptable because that's exactly how I am.
Did you talk about Tommy Motola? Yung dating asawa ni
Mariah.
Mariah Carey?
Nahiya ako
Nahiya ka?
I wanted to, pero
Kung kami ni Christian, wala kaming mga hiyano.
I didn't want to because nakabantay din yung kanyang parang manager, and for all the
Publicist.
questions that I ask, meron siyang mga reaction. So I didn't want to offend anybody.
Congratulations.
Me, I want to
Ako,
ask
I'd
this.
like to congratulate
Total, wala
you.
naman tayong
Okay.
hiyang dalawa, di ba?
Okay.
Is there a man in your life right now?
Always.
Always. Who is this man in your life?
Talaga?
Bakit? Parati naman
Good for you.
Ako ganito lang, para pag sara ika nga ng interview na ito, nariyan si Noynoy Aquino, anong sasabihin mo? Hindi na ako maglalabas ng salamin, baka basagin mo pa. Noynoy, what would you tell him?
Well, let's toast to the good times from the past, and let's look
Were
on
there
to the
good
future.
times?
Huh?
Romantic ba siya?
Romantic.
Hindi masyado.
Final words for Fernando Jose from Corina Sanchez Carillo.
Well, we're in touch through email.
You're email?
Oh,
God.
Gusto mo na magpakamatay? Huwag mo na, ha?
Oo nga, hindi.
Hindi ko naman siya
At least,
type.
ako hindi. I'm supposed to behave.
Actually, I also don't watch Rosalinda. So
No, I love Rosalinda.
but I don't
I
watch
love
it.
Fernando Jose Antalya. So he's there in front of you.
What
Ang
did he
sasabihin mo
tell
to
him?
close this interview.
Ay, amor. Ganun na lang siguro. Hintayin na lang natin pagdating niya rito. Malay mo si Chris ang type niya, di ba?
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Gusto ko ng Pinoy.
Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin si Miss Corina Sanchez.
Alright.
Mabuhay!
Salamat.
A
Mabuhay!
friend of the boss, a friend of yours, a friend of mine.
Very good friend of mine.
An idol for both of us.
That's
Thank
right.
you, Chris. You're so wonderful.
I
Thank
love you,
Thank
Corina.
you.
And what about me? She's wonderful.
I love you both. Very good.
Thank
to be
you
with
very
you.
much, mga kaibigan. Huwag po kayong aalis dahil magbabalik pa po ang
The Boss!